My favorite part is the sparkly. I like to feed him, dress him up.
It's like having a pet and you're having fun while brushing your teeth.
I love my Sonicare for Kids.
There's no more running around the house screaming about who has and who has not brushed their teeth.
It's really cool that when you're brushing your teeth, it shows where to brush. You have to get the Sonicare toothbrush.
It's fun.
The app has this timer.
So I can completely leave him on his own, and I know that he's doing what he needs to do.
It beeps every 30 seconds on the toothbrush.
They're actually spending that whole 2 minutes doing it, following along on the app.
So I definitely would recommend the Philips Sonicare for Kids because it's a great interactive toothbrush that helps children learn the importance of oral health care and learn a sense of independence.
Innovation and you. Philips.